Hello, pre-algebra. This is Mr. Chow Time, episode 9. Is it 9? No, it's not 9. I'm just gonna do this. It's lesson 11. The previous one must have been wrong too. Maybe it was, maybe it wasn't. Who knows? This is page 77. I want to recall multiplication and division really quickly. Multiplication is adding groups into a total. So remember that if we have like 2 times 3, that what we're talking about is we have groups of 2. So let's say we have 2 Oreo cookies. And how many groups of 2 Oreo cookies do we have? Or pig nose? We have 3 of them. We have 3 of these 2 Oreo cookies. And that's what multiplication is. It's taking groups, a certain number of groups, and then finding the total. Division is then taking that and breaking it back apart. So if we have a total of 6 things, and we want to break that into groups of, let's say 2, then our 6 things are broken into groups of 2. How many groups do we have? We have 3. Okay, and I know this is pretty simple, and you don't need to use these diagrams anymore. You can just do the math now, but oftentimes when we just do math, we just get stuck in looking at the numbers, but the numbers, they mean something. There's a reason that we use the numbers. So hopefully you can remember this thing that I just told you. Dividing 2 integers is the same as multiplying integers. If they have the same sign, then they are positive. If they have opposite signs, then they are negative. For example, -3 times negative, or divided by -4, they have the same sign, so the answer is going to be positive. Positive 3/4. That's crazy, huh? Positive 3/4 is equal to -3 over -4. 12 over -6. This is 12 divided by -6, right? And so -6 and 12 are opposite signs. The answer is going to be negative, -2. -42 divided by -6. That's a positive 7. We can evaluate algebraic expressions too. Don't forget about the algebraic expressions. Again, we have here xy, where x is 2 and y is -6. So 3 over 2 times -6. 2 times -6 is -12. This would be -1 over 4, right? Yeah, -1/4. 4 times x divided by -y. Y is -6. So that's a positive 6. Because we're looking at the opposite of -6. So that is 8. 8 divided by 6 is 4 over 3, which is 1 1/3. Okay. Oops. So remember that when we are finding the average or the mean of a data set, that we use division, right? The high temperatures in Kaohsiung this last week were as follows: 33, 32, 27, 28, 30, 31. So if we want to find the mean, which is the average, we would first add them all together. So that's 66, that's 59, that's 58. So let's add these two together and then add 31 to 58. Oh boy. This is a 9. 125 plus 1 plus 89. Okay. I can do this. Here I go. Look at me doing math. 214. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 214 divided by 7. 3, 21. 4, 0. 40. What is that? 5. 35. 50. So let's just stop there. 30.57. Look at that. We use division. Division's awesome. Concept summary. This is the past few lessons put together. I won't read this to you. You can just come back and look at this if you wish. Also, you can look on page 79. Adding integers, subtracting integers, multiplying and dividing integers. It's all here. Good night.